Namaste Hariom, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. We are doing 11 days of learning 11 Bharat Yoga Gatis, and as I told you, Gatis are not just created by Gurudev Swami Bharat Bhushan Ji but also promoted and propagated by Bharat Yoga family. And today we are going to learn such a Gati which can give you amazing intelligence, and not just intelligence, good memory, wisdom along with intelligence. If you have high blood pressure, this is a practice which can lower down your blood pressure right there, right then. Other than that, it can also help you in keeping your blood pressure normal throughout your day. Then if you are feeling some problems related to your nervous system, whether it be any problem, it is one of the best gatis for that. If you think that your memory is getting weak, or maybe you're not able to learn things, if we talk about youngsters memory, if we talk about adults, then also it is one of the best gatis, and it brings an overall balance in your life. Now, talking about the side effects, it does not have any side effects, so everybody can practice this Rekha Gati of Bharat Yoga. But benefits are immense, immense benefits. So I think everyone, from my personal experience, I feel not just youngsters should, they must practice it every single day, but more than that, adults and even people above 60 years of their age, they must do it every day, because you will see some amazing benefits with your brain, with your memory, with your ability to learn things, ability to remember things, and the overall balance in your life. So let's see, how do we do Rekha Gati. For Rekha Gati, we have to stand straight and place your palms at the sides of your thighs. And throughout this practice, you need to keep your eyes closed. This is very, very, very important. So I'll be starting from here and I'll show it on the mat. So make sure that you stand straight, palms at the sides of your thighs, feet together, and you close your eyes genuinely, because sometimes people tend to open their eyes in between, which is really, really wrong, and then it's not going to give you the complete benefit. Second thing, your speed shall be very, very slow. More slow your speed is, more effective this gati is. More fast you do it, less effective this gati becomes. Third thing, name itself says Rekha means line, Gati means movement. So we have to form a movement with we have to form a line with the movement. Okay, so keep your eyes closed. Now take your right feet ahead in such a way that right heel shall touch your left toe. So this is how it is going to be. Then you keep your left feet ahead, feet ahead, so that left heel touch your right toe. This way we have to maintain the balance and we have to maintain the line, which is very, very important. So once you are done with 10 steps ahead, we go back. So we don't take a U-turn, we go back this way only. Now you might feel that, oh, this is something very easy that Guru Ma is doing. But no, when you will be doing it, you will find it really, really tough. And more aged you are, more adult you are, you'll find it more tough. More young you are, you'll find it more easy to do. So this was one round, 10 steps ahead, 10 steps back. And when you do it, you might start with 5 repetitions and then slowly take it to 7. But as I always say, Ati Sarvatra Varjayat, excess of everything is wrong. So do not overdo it. So this was Rekha Gati, Bharat Yoga Rekha Gati, and all the wonderful people watching this program, whether you are a practitioner, add it in your practice, whether you are a teacher, teach it to your students, but tell them that this is a special practice of Bharat Yoga lineage, so that we have this feeling of gratefulness and gratitude, and it keeps us away from ego when we give the credit to that place, that person from where it is coming. So that's all for today. Stay happy, stay healthy, practice Bharat Yoga Rekha Gati to have a super brain. And I will be seeing you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om. Namaste.